Welcome to JH. Today, we are resolving the D80 error code on your LG dryer. If this alert has appeared, there is no need for concern as we will walk you through the repair process. This specific code signifies that your appliance is struggling to exhaust air, typically due to lint accumulation within the venting system. Leaving this unaddressed can impair performance or cause the unit to overheat. Begin by removing the lint filter from the front of the machine and cleaning it off. If your unit has screws securing the filter housing, carefully unscrew them and set them aside so they aren't lost. A flashlight is helpful for seeing into the dark housing area. Inspect the filter slot closely, as lint often builds up deep inside, where vacuums struggle to reach. Use a specialized lint brush or a flexible tool to pull any debris forward, then vacuum it out once it is loosened. Next, check the exhaust hose at the back of the dryer along with the exterior vent outside your home. Ensure the ducting isn't kinked, flattened, or blocked by debris. Be sure to check for bird nests in the outdoor vent, as these are common obstructions. Once everything is clear, reinstall the filter and its housing. Reconnect the vent hose if you detached it and run a brief test cycle. If the blockage is gone, the D80 error will disappear and your dryer will run smoothly again.